Hey everyone, so the first thing you want to do obviously is go to your iLearn page, and right here you should be able to see all your courses. Now, I'm going to click on my course right here that I'll be working with today. It's Science, Ms. Bryant and Mr. Hagazi 6D1. So there are two classes actually in this shell. So if we click on this shell, you'll be able to see the course admin icon right at the nav bar. If you click on that, it'll take you to a new menu. And then you can either organize this by category or by name. I like to organize it by name because it makes it easier to find things alphabetically. You can also organize by groups versus sections. Personally, I like sections. We've been instructed to use sections because then other students in different classes within the shell won't be able to view that work that you post. You can guarantee that there's complete privacy between the classes. For groups, if you want more interaction between the students, or maybe if you're doing a project or something. So let's stick to sections. Now, unfortunately, what happened is iLearn changed the way they do sections, and now they kind of choose the students that they enroll into the sections for you. So previously, you used to be able to just add a section and then enroll whatever students into that section. Now, you have to add a section by choosing section number or number of sections. So I would choose number of sections and I'll write 2 because I have 2 classes in this shell. I'd hide the advanced options and click on create. It'll automatically populate 2 sections with some random students in them. So I'd have to go in, rename the sections to the classes that I'd want. So 6D1 and 6D2 in this example. And then I'd have to also go in and change all the enrollments. Now, before you go in and change the enrollments, notice that they only show you 20 students per page. And so if you start removing students and then clicking on next and removing the next ones and adding, you'll realize that your work from page to page won't save. That's another glitch. So what you should do is go to the bottom right of the page and choose the box that says show, and when you show all the students at once, that way when you click on the box to check a student or decheck a student, it'll save once you click save. So now we can go into the release conditions. So let's just say I go into the content area. It's the green book with the red bookmark. I can choose one of my units. I'm going to choose labs. And then it's currently visible, but I want to change who it's visible to. So on the other side of the screen, I can click on the 3 little dots. I can create release condition. I can go down and find it in sections. And then I can choose the section that I want to be able to see. So in this case, the only class that will be able to view this material will be 6D1 as we've indicated here. So you've successfully set up sections and you've created release conditions. So excellent job.